Hello, everyone. In this month's podcast, we'll be exploring a fundamental aspect of learning, the importance of asking why, and how it fosters a research mindset that can lead to groundbreaking innovations. And this isn't just about scientists and researchers, it's essential for every one of us, especially students. So, dear students, you must know curiosity is one of the most powerful forces driving human progress. From the moment we are born, we have an innate desire to understand the world around us. Think about it. Children are constantly asking questions. Why is the sky blue? Why do leaves fall? And why do we have to sleep at all? If you talk about curiosity, it helps you to delve into deeper understanding and ensures that you are not just memorizing facts, you are exploring the underlying principles and concepts. Asking why encourages critical thinking. It challenges you to question assumptions and consider multiple perspectives. And it is this form of inquiry that makes education a dynamic and exciting journey. It's not just about satisfying immediate curiosity, it's about developing a research mindset as well that eventually makes you unstoppable. This mindset involves seeking evidence, analyzing data, and drawing informed conclusions. And the best part is, it's not just for science or history class, but it's a way of life that transcends the classroom and prepares you to face life's countless challenges with confidence and resilience. Let's talk about few examples. Arijit Singh, a famous singer, with his guitar as a shield against doubts, strummed his way to stardom. His why was to spread joy through music. Or consider A.R. Rahman's burning passion. His why that compelled him to compose masterpieces despite life's hardships. And then there's MS Dhoni, whose unwavering love for cricket defied naysayers to become a legendary captain. These icons proved a solid why can guide you through the craziest of adventures. If scientists and researchers didn't ask why, just imagine we would not have vaccines, smartphones, or even the internet. Imagine if Thomas Edison never questioned the darkness of light, or if Marie Curie never pondered the mysteries of radiation. We would not have innovations like the light bulb or the discovery of radioactivity. Their relentless pursuit of answers to their why led to breakthroughs that revolutionized the way we live today. So, life is all about understanding reasons, your whys. Whether it's a hobby, a dream, a career, or simply knowing why certain subjects captivate you, these reasons give life its flavor and direction. Every single day, from dawn till dusk, you make choices, right? And it's those whys behind those choices that drive you to pursue your passions. But what exactly is this why? Finding your why is like building a magnificent sand castle on the beach, which is epic fun. You pile up the sand, sculpt towers, dig moats. It's amazing. But then a wave crashes in and washes it all away. Disappointing, right? That's what happens when we try things without understanding why they work. This is similar to learning without understanding. And our knowledge, like sand castle, can be swept away without a solid foundation of why. In school and beyond, dear students, if you don't have good reasons for what you do, you can end up lost, like a ship without a compass. But when you have good reasons, it's like having a map to guide you to sail with purpose and reach your goals successfully. And now let's see, how can you find your why? Begin by asking yourself, dear students, which activities make you lose track of time? What do you enjoy doing even when it's challenging for you? What makes you truly satisfied and accomplished? The answers to these questions hold the key to unlocking your why. It might be the joy of helping others, the thrill of solving puzzles, or the satisfaction of creating something beautiful. Whatever it is, embrace it. This why keeps you going and helps you stay focused, driven, even when the things get tough. Let your why be the wind in your sails, pushing you towards a future that's packed with excitement and things you are passionate about. So, dear students, this summer, take some time to uncover your why. It's not just about getting top grades or having fancy titles. It's about making a real difference, inspiring those around you, and living a life that truly counts. Your why is your superpower. Find it, own it, and let it lead you to amazing things. Thank you and have an amazing vacation filled with discovery of why and joy. Keep questioning, keep learning, and keep growing. Goodbye till we meet after your summer break. Thank you.